English podcast show, Learn English Smartly.
What if I told you the secret to speaking English fluently isn't buried in grammar books or hidden in long vocabulary lists? What if it's already inside your head, just waiting to be unlocked? The real magic begins when you learn to build your own sentences, even if they're simple. Welcome, my speaking superheroes. This is Emma, and you're tuned into Day 3 of our 30-day English speaking challenge on the English podcast show. In the next 5 minutes, you'll learn something that can change your English forever. But first, subscribe so you stay on track for success, one step at a time. Yesterday, we trained our ears with active listening, and today, we're going to speak up. Yes, it's time to take all those words you've been learning and start building your own English sentences, even if it's just baby steps. So grab your tea, take a deep breath, and let's level up your English journey together. And to help me break it down and have some fun while doing it, I've got my favorite grammar magician in the studio. Give it up for Alex.
Hey, I'm back and ready to help you unlock your sentence-making powers. Don't worry. We're not talking about writing novels. We'll show you how to build simple, clear, and real-life English sentences from scratch.
Segment 1. Why sentence building matters. Before you can run, you need to walk. In English, this means before having full conversations, you need to form simple, meaningful sentences. When you know how to build your own sentence, you're no longer just a listener, you're a speaker.
Exactly. Imagine you've memorized hundreds of English words like apple, go, school, movie. But when someone asks you, what do you do every morning? You freeze. Why? Because you never practiced combining those words into a sentence like, I go to school at 9 a.m.
And it's not about being perfect, it's about expressing yourself. Communication always beats perfection. Even if you say, I go school morning, people will understand. Over time, you'll improve that to, I go to school in the morning. That's growth.
Learning sentence structure helps you think in English. You stop translating from your native language, and that's when real fluency begins.
Segment 2. The Magic Formula. SVO, subject plus verb plus object. Here's where we dive into the secret formula of English fluency. Most English sentences follow this simple pattern. Subject, verb, object. We call it SVO.
Let's break it down even more. Subject. Who or what is doing the action? I, he, she, the cat. Verb. The action word eat, go, play, love. Object. Who or what is receiving the action? Pizza, school, music. Examples. I eat rice. She plays guitar. We love learning English.
And guess what? Once you master this pattern, you can talk about daily life easily. You can say things like, I watch movies at night. He drinks coffee every morning. They study English on weekends.
You don't need fancy vocabulary. Just focus on correct structure. Think of it like Lego bricks. Subject, verb, and object are the base pieces you can build with every day.
Segment 3. Build with sentence starters. Now that you understand how sentences are formed, let's make it even easier. How? Use sentence starters. These are the opening words that give your brain a direction. Common sentence starters. I like. I want to. I can. I am going to. I don't like.
These are amazing tools because they remove the stress of where do I begin? Once you say I want to, your mind immediately thinks of an action. Try it now. I want to travel. I like chocolate. I don't like cold weather. I can cook pasta.
You can also combine sentence starters with time expressions to create longer, more natural sentences. In the morning, I eat breakfast. Every weekend, we play football. At night, she watches YouTube.
Using time plus sentence starter equals full confidence.
Segment 4. Fun sentence building game. Finish the line. Let's turn this learning into a game. I'll say the beginning of a sentence and you finish it. This helps you think fast and form sentences naturally. Ready? I want to
Learn English with confidence.
Every morning I
Drink green tea and listen to a podcast.
Now it's your turn, listeners. Pause the podcast and finish these lines. This weekend, I can't wait to. Right now, I feel.
Even if you're alone, say your answers out loud. This helps train your brain to speak without overthinking.
Want a bonus? Record your answers and play them back. You'll hear how much progress you're making, even after just 3 days. Segment 5. Today's action plan. All right, here's your homework, but the fun kind. If you really want to grow your speaking skills, follow this 4-step plan today. Step 1, write 5 SVO sentences. I eat rice. She reads books. We watch movies. He plays cricket. They like pizza.
Write about real things in your life. Your sentences don't have to be about textbooks. They can be about your friends, your pets, or even your favorite food. Step 2. Use sentence starters. I want to learn English. I can cook noodles. Today, I will study for 20 minutes.
This helps you express desires, plans, and opinions easily. Step 3. Record yourself. Use your phone. Say your 5 sentences aloud. Listen back. You'll notice small things: your speed, clarity, tone. This builds confidence fast. Step 4. Speak 3 sentences in front of a mirror or to a friend. Try this daily. It makes a huge difference. Remember, your voice is your most powerful learning tool. Now it's time for our favorite segment, Word-Wise with Maria. She's going to explain some of the key vocabulary and phrases we use today. Over to you, Maria. Word-Wise with Maria.
Thanks, Emma. Hello, everyone. I'm Maria, your vocabulary coach here on the English Podcast Show. Let's take a moment to understand some useful words and phrases from today's discussion. These are not only great for your IELTS speaking test, but also in real-life conversations. 1. Structure. Noun. Meaning, the way parts of something are organized or arranged. Example, learning sentence structure helps you express ideas clearly in English. Second subject, noun. Meaning, the person or thing that does the action in a sentence. Example, in the sentence, she sings well, the word she is the subject. Third verb, noun. Meaning, a word that describes an action or a state. Example, run, read, and speak are all verbs. Fourth, object, noun, meaning the person or thing that receives the action in a sentence. Example, in he eats apples, the word apples is the object. Fifth, expression, noun, meaning a group of words used together in a specific way. Example, I'm good at it is a common English expression. Sixth, intention, noun, meaning a plan or aim behind what you say or do. Example, when you build a sentence, your intention helps decide the right words. 7. Fluency, noun, meaning the ability to speak smoothly and easily. Example, practice helps you gain fluency in everyday conversations. 8. Construct, verb, meaning to build or form by putting parts together. Example, you can construct hundreds of sentences using the SVO pattern. 9th foundation, noun, meaning the base or beginning of something strong. Example, simple sentences are the foundation of fluent speaking. 10th, enhance, verb, meaning to improve the quality or power of something. Example, using sentence starters can enhance your confidence in speaking.
And that's a wrap on day 3, my amazing language warriors. Today, you didn't just listen, you built. You took the bricks of English, subjects, verbs, and objects, and stacked them into something powerful, your own voice. Remember, fluency is not about using fancy words, it's about using your words. It's about having the courage to say, I want to learn, I can speak English, or I love this podcast. Here's your secret weapon, progress, not perfection. Every sentence you speak is a step closer to the confident, fluent speaker you're becoming. Now go ahead, say those 5 sentences out loud, record your voice, talk to your mirror, whatever it takes. Your voice deserves to be heard. And hey, don't forget to grab your Day 3 worksheet from the link. It's packed with practice exercises, sentence templates, and a fun mini-challenge to boost your speaking game. Tomorrow? Oh, you're going to love it. We're diving into the art of asking questions in English. Yes, because a great speaker doesn't just talk. They ask, connect, and keep the conversation alive. This is Emma from the English Podcast Show reminding you, speak with courage, build with passion, and show the world the power of your voice. Keep going. You've got this.